Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the highest or lowest value in Excel. Now, for us to get this done, I am just going to show you what we are working with today. So I have this price list right here of mid-range phones, and if say for example I want to get the most expensive and the least expensive, I can definitely do that. So let's start with the most expensive here. Let's go ahead and type here max, and then let's go ahead and open parenthesis and let's just copy this one right here. So this is the range, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter, and you can see that now we have the maximum number, the most expensive right here. Now if say for example I want to get the least expensive and the average, I can just copy that same formula and then adjust from here. Now for the least expensive, I'm going to change this to minimum, hit enter, and you can see that that's the minimum. For the average, oops, I can definitely change that as well. I just have to type here average, click enter, and you can see that that's the average price. And yeah, that's how you're going to find the highest or lowest value in Excel.